Are you a food manufacturer struggling to create new product concepts that are in trend? Is it difficult to perfect your formulation when trying to achieve the ideal texture, taste, and nutritional profile while staying cost-efficient? Are complex local regulations leaving you confused and frustrated? The journey can be overwhelming. Stop. Now imagine having a partner who truly understands your needs and can turn these challenges into opportunities. At DPO International, we bridge the gap between global ingredient innovations and local food manufacturing excellence. Our mission is to help food manufacturers across Asia create exceptional products that meet high standards and satisfy market demands. We understand that each type of food product has unique requirements. That's where our dedicated teams deliver targeted solutions with in-depth knowledge and expertise of the food industry. In today's dynamic landscape, staying ahead of trends requires both a deep understanding of the local market as well as innovation and creativity. Our scientific affairs team is always on the pulse of what's new and appealing with informed market insights, while our dedicated food technologists will work hand in hand with you to develop new prototypes, solve nutritional or technical challenges, or even optimize formulations so they're ready for mass production. Our food-focused marketing team is ready to provide an end-to-end marketing plan aimed at creating impactful strategies for your brand. From packaging designs to point-of-sales materials, we can tailor product and marketing concepts specifically for your new product, based on your business goals, production capabilities, as well as your brand's market opportunities and competitive edge. From there, we carefully plan the road to market for you, ensuring your brand remains top of mind. Food regulations can be tricky. Our comprehensive regulatory services help you navigate complex local food laws and regulations. We begin with basic compliance checking of your product and its ingredients, advise on potential reformulations, labeling and claims verification, certifications, and finally registering your product, ensuring it is ready for the market. No other aspect is more important in the food industry than safety and hygiene. From importing to warehousing and distribution, we manage your entire supply chain with the highest standards of safety and quality, avoiding any contamination. Our integrated digital warehouse and delivery management systems guarantee timely deliveries and allow for traceability of your ingredients. With DPO International, you can trust that your raw materials are in safe hands every step of the way. By partnering with top global ingredient brands and manufacturers, we're proud to offer the most innovative and functional ingredients that elevate your products and set you apart in the competitive market. Whether you're aiming to address a specific challenge or require a full suite solution for your food manufacturing business, we're ready to partner with you. With 30 years of industry experience and passion, we strive to empower your business to thrive.